So this is for all those people who don't believe you can make money in forex. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys the money I made today from the BTC trade setup that you are seeing on my page, on my TikTok page right now that I posted. We made $33. So I want to withdraw that $33 now. So let me show you guys. So as you guys know, the broker that I used to trade is HFM HotForex markets. That's the broker that I've been using. So just in case maybe you're looking for a broker to use to trade, I can recommend my broker to you. I've been using it for almost 2 years now, and I've never had any issue with them. So yeah, guys. So there's if you want to use my broker, link is in the description. So yeah, guys, I've been using it now. One thing I love about them, they do sharp payments when it comes to like payment. So just come over here, transfer funds. So the $33, we funded this account with $50. No, it's not even up to 1 hour now, and we made $33 from that BTC trade setup. So we are withdrawing. The $33 we made. Or let's just transfer funds. Go to transfer funds. I don't know why the network is really slow these days. So we're removing $30. Supposed to be $33, but let me just remove that and leave the rest there. As you can see right here, confirm transfer. So transfer successful. We are successfully withdrawn. So right now what we have left on our trading account now is $54.59. So that's okay. Let's just leave that there and let's go to my wallet. Then we have $30 here, so we want to withdraw it. So let's withdraw. I really like HotForex. Like, I've been using the broker. I understand them a lot. So online bank transfer, and this one is the one I normally use. So $30. So just come over here. Reason for withdrawal, we are withdrawing profit now. Sure, withdraw. Boom. So they requested for 2FA code, which I'm gonna Gmail. Copy, come over here, paste it, paste, and submit. Cool. So your withdrawal request has been submitted. So our $30 will soon enter inside our account. No. That's one thing I love about Forex. They don't waste time. Like, no. They will credit you your money. They just sent me an email that my withdrawal is completed. Your withdrawal has been successful. The amount of $30 has been sent to your Nigeria account. So let's go and check now. So let's go check. So yeah, guys, the money just arrived. Look at it right here. It's 46,000 euro. So the money just arrived. That's crazy, man. Let's refresh. Where's the session? Okay, yeah, that's it. Money just arrived for the hate. Yeah, so that's it. That's how to withdraw from HFM, the best broker. Like, this broker I've been using for a very long time now, and they are good. They're good, at least they're good. So that is it for this video, guys.